What if I told you guys you were missing out on some completely free PayPal codes worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars? If you guys don't watch till the end of today's video, you will literally be skipping out on completely free money. So make sure you guys go ahead and watch till the end without skipping around. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Xavier channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a set of $1,000 PayPal codes. So if you guys don't want to miss out on this literal free money, make sure you go ahead and do not skip around in today's video and make sure to watch it all the way to the very end. And with that all being said, I'm going to go ahead and get on my phone just like you should as well. And I'm going to teach you the exact method right now. So the first thing you guys are going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go on to the app store of your choice, either the Google Play or the Apple App Store, and go ahead and look up CashApp and go ahead and hit that download button. This is essential for the method, so make sure you guys are following this exact step. Once you guys go ahead and download CashApp, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the top right here and select on your profile, and then scroll the way down to where it says enter referral code. It should enter referral code right here, provided that you've gone ahead and created a fresh new CashApp account. Keep in mind, for anybody who already has a CashApp account, you can make an entirely new CashApp account on top of your pre-existing one and still be able to follow this exact method. The code you guys are going to want to put into the enter referral code section is going to be JKR1LGR. Once you guys go ahead and put in that code, you have to then Cash App someone at least $5 to go ahead and get a free $10 invite bonus from Cash App. As you guys can see right here, there are hundreds of people that have gone ahead and done this exact method and made all of this money that you guys can see right here. I can keep scrolling down. As you guys can see, there are currently hundreds of different people pending for this. This is a secret Cash App glitch that nobody is talking about. And if you guys get on this right now, it is completely legit, and I would highly recommend you guys do it right now so you can make some entirely free money. Keep in mind, you guys do have to then send at least $5 to a friend on Cash App to be able to receive that $10 total invite bonus. I'm gonna go ahead and include my cash tag in the description down below, so if you guys go ahead and send me that $5, I'll be able to refund you, and then we'll both get $10 from the invite bonus, because for full transparency, I will also be getting $10 on top of your existing $10 at no cost to you. So if you guys want to get some completely free money, I would highly recommend doing this exact method right now. And then once you guys go ahead and get that free $10 invite bonus, it will be posted to your Cash App balance right here. What I would recommend doing after that is I would recommending actually creating a Cash App card so you can get a real physical debit card number, and then we're going to be able to use this stuff for some fun stuff on PayPal itself in a little bit. The next thing you guys are going to do is you're going to want to go back to the app or Google Play Store, and you're going to want to look up Addapol and go ahead and download it. Keep in mind, guys, before I go ahead and show you the method involving Addapol, you guys can also download any of the apps I'm going to go ahead and mention today from the description down below. And once you guys go ahead and click on those links, you will be then redirected to the App Store with the referral bonuses already attached, so you won't have to worry about attaching it later. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go to my profile section right here and scroll down to where it says enter referral code. After you guys do that, you're going to want to enter in this exact referral code, which is going to be JCCGC. Again, JCCGC, just like that. And then after that, all you're going to want to do is hit continue. Once you guys do that, you will get a free 50 cents, which then we can deposit directly into our PayPal. As you guys can see right here, I have made hundreds of dollars using this exact method, extracting to my PayPal account, and I've been able to make a ton of super free easy money. So make sure you guys do this as well on top of the Cash App referral bonus, as well as one more app I'm going to be giving you guys for completely free in a second, so you guys can cash out. On top of that, for full transparency, I'll be making a free 50 cents as well, but the best part is that that comes at no cost to you, and you will get a free 50 cents with it. And then you can take that money and put it directly in your PayPal. I would also recommend filling out some of these super easy surveys. Once you guys fill out some of these surveys, they will be rewarded into your Addapol balance. For an example, I'll go ahead and fill out this 1 cent survey right now. If you own a lease, which brands are they? I don't lease a car. Please select the smallest number from below. This is something called a speed trap. Essentially, if you guys are going to be doing surveys here on Addapol, like I would highly recommend, you are going to want to make sure that you do pay attention to every single one of the questions, because if I answered 12, for example, right here, they might go ahead and ban my Addapol account, meaning that I can't take advantage of the offer anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and select 3 because that is the lowest number. I am self-employed full-time. I'm pretty sure we use AT&T. I have a 2004 Jeep. I don't want to answer that. And then boom, just like that, I just made an entirely free 1 cent. But as you guys can see right here, they don't always have surveys available for Addapol, which is kind of a conundrum. So what I would highly recommend doing is I would recommend going back to the App Store or to the description and going ahead and downloading Eureka. Once you guys sign up for Eureka, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the referral section and enter in my exclusive share code, which is going to be 8UXHGY. It'll give you an option to go ahead and put in this share code upon your sign up. And then once you guys do that, you will get a free $1 survey that you can go ahead and fill out in no less than 30 seconds. Plus, there is a bunch of surveys right here that you guys can go ahead and fill out. I've seen surveys up to $5 that won't take you no more than 5 minutes to fill out, which is more money than you would make working a part-time job. So I would highly recommend you guys also go ahead and download Eureka. And the best part about Eureka is that you can also cash out to PayPal, just like with Addapol, which is obviously going to be really, really good. So you can get all of this money sent to your Addapol balance for completely free. And with that all being said, guys, we we have in fact hit the end of today's video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and click on this video that you guys can see right now.